my name is Charlotte and I work here at Portakabin doing my level 4 Sales Apprenticeship in Mercuri. Coming from a non-sales background, I was really nervous and didn't know quite what to expect, but doing this apprenticeship has really helped me with my sales while here at Portakabin. Understanding sales planning and customer behaviours was something I could really bring into my working life. For instance, building a positive rapport with customers, whether they be current or new customers as well. Within my apprenticeship, I feel like I've gained so much skills, knowledge and behaviours, but most of all confidence within my work, both apprenticeship and working life as well. Understanding customer needs is such a vital role in sales, and I'm really lucky that I've been able to grasp the idea and relate it to my Portakabin working life. As apprentices, we do speak to each other as well about our own journeys, and I'm really grateful for the support that Mercuri has given to me. Tom, my learning development coach, he's really helped me and developed my confidence and within my work as well, and been a real support with anything that I might not understand at first. Doing this apprenticeship has made me want to develop myself and encourages me to look further into the sales horizon and see what opportunities are next in line.